Happy Sunday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your extreme weather outlook. And we're tracking the tropics here as we get closer to the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. That, of course, is September 10th. But we have some very interesting happenings in the Pacific Ocean as well. Minimal severe weather threat over the nation as we head into the next few days. And then looking ahead to September, which starts on Tuesday, well, we have some warmer weather for the eastern U.S. But this is a look at the remnants of Erica, which kind of got tore apart over the last few days. The models kind of having a tough time trying to figure out where exactly the remnants are going to go. Some take that back out into the Atlantic, some take it back into the Mississippi River Valley. But a newly formed tropical storm here, Fred, in the Atlantic Basin from early this morning. The track takes that west of Africa here into the central Atlantic as we head into next week. But in the meantime, in the Pacific Ocean, we have three major hurricanes. There's Kilo and there's Ignacio. You can see Ignacio is actually pretty close to the Hawaiian Islands in the forecast track of this Category 4 storm from earlier this morning. Well, that's going to be taking it very close to the islands here as we head into early next week. Maybe as a Category 1 storm, but I think we'll have some impacts there. In the meantime, closer to home, we do have a marginal threat of severe weather over Montana today. Maybe some gusty winds and hail along with some locally heavy rain. Then that front pushes east. We have some general thunderstorms popping up on Monday and Tuesday. But take a look at this heavy rain that's leaking northward from the remnants of Erica. We do expect to see heavier pockets of rain. This particular forecast over a 5-day period, maybe 3 to 6 plus. A little bit here in the Midwest, also the Four Corners region, then also some heavier moisture as you get into the northern Cascades and the Canadian Rockies. And that storm could bring some snow to places in the Canadian Rockies. But look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook as we head into this upcoming September this week. A big blob of very warm weather is going to start to push east. But for today, those temperatures on the eastern seaboard are starting to warm up.